All right, let's look at question 47. It says find correct to the nearest whole number the average age of the student. When we are talking about average age, we are referring to the mean age of the student. So our x bar is equals to summation of f of x over summation of the frequency. Okay, so our summation of f of x, that's this times this is our x times the frequency. So this is 13 times 9, that's 39, plus 14 times 14, that will give us 196. 15 times 30 will give us 195. This one, 16 times 8 will give us 128. Then 13 times 17 will give us 51. 51 over this plus this. This will give us 41. 41. So the summation of everything here will give us 609 over 41. That will give us about, this is 14.85, which is approximately 15. That's option C. And the next one, 48, question 48, it says what is the median age? That's, now since we have this, the median will lie in the, this is the formula we use. Since the frequency is an odd number, the median will lie in the n plus 1 over 2 position. That's where the median will lie when we take the cumulative frequency. So the nth position, our n there is 41, because when you add all this, we'll get 41. But if assuming it was an odd number, even number we got, it would have been n over 2 position, the position of n over 2. So this is 41 plus 1 over 2. 41 plus 1, that's 42. 42 over 2, that's 21st position. So the median will lie on the 21st position of the cumulative frequency. And how do we get the cumulative frequency? We add this to this, that's 17. 17 plus this, that will give us 30. So 30 will be within this. So 21 will be within the 30. Cumulative frequency 3, 17, 30. So 22 lies within this place. So this is 15. So the median age is 15, which is option B.